summer review packet for calculus. And in this problem, we need to write the equation of a line. It has to pass through the point 4, -3, and it has to be perpendicular to this equation here. And so it's a 3-step process that I think is the easiest to use. Oh my God, I just threw the marker. Okay, new marker. And that process is get the slope, and then after that, write it in point slope form. And then after that, write it in slope-intercept form. So, and if you just follow this process, it works every single time, and it's pretty easy in my opinion. So first of all, we would need our slope. Now our slope has to be perpendicular to whatever the slope is here. So we're gonna have to solve this out to figure out what the slope is. So we're gonna have to solve it for y. So we're gonna have to minus the 3x. And then we're gonna have to divide by 2. So we get -3/2 for the slope of this line. Now we want to be perpendicular to that. So if the original slope's -3/2, the perpendicular slope is going to be positive 2/3. So that's what we're going to use for our slope. Then we're going to put it in point slope form. Even if we don't need point slope form, it's the middle step of this process, which I think is quite easy. So point slope form, as you'll remember, is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And this point here is your x1 and your y1. And so then we just fill it in. So y minus 4 equals 2/3 times x minus, oops, I got that backwards, didn't I? Sorry, that should have been y minus -3 equals 2/3 times x minus 4. And this minus 3 here turns into a plus. Okay, now we just need to solve this equation for y to get it into slope-intercept form. So first thing we would want to do is distribute in our 2/3. So you get 2/3 x. 2 times 4 is 8, so we get minus 8/3. And then we have to move the 3 over, so we have to minus 3. Just going to cross it off of here, so we're going to get y equals 2/3 x. Let's see, let's get this with a denominator of 3, which means this is going to have to turn into a 9. So -8 minus 9 is -17/3. So minus 17/3. And this line would be perpendicular to this line, and this line would also pass through this point. And that is the 3-step process: slope, point slope, slope-intercept. If you need tutoring this summer to get you through that review packet, just contact me. Contact information is at the end of the video and also in the description down below. Thanks for watching.